In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do split screen in Brave browser. This is a handy skill that can enhance your productivity by allowing you to view two web pages side by side. First, let's start with launching the Brave browser on your device. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, locate the Brave icon and double-click it. This step is crucial because it ensures that your browser is up and running, ready for the next actions. If you don't see the icon right away, you might want to check your Start menu or Applications folder. Once the browser is open, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now, with your Brave browser open, you need to open both tabs you'd like to be in a split view. Simply type in the URLs of the pages you want to view or select them from your bookmarks. This step is important because having both tabs open and ready will make the split screen process seamless. Remember, each tab can hold any web page you need, whether it's an article, a video, or a document. Next up, press and hold the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key if you're on a Mac. Then, click to select both tabs. This action is crucial because it tells Brave which tabs you want to see side by side. Make sure both tabs are highlighted before proceeding. This little step ensures that you're selecting the right tabs, which saves you time from having to start over. With both tabs selected, right-click on either one and choose Open in Split View from the context menu. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this option, Brave will automatically arrange your chosen tabs side by side in a split screen. You'll notice the interface changing to accommodate this new layout. This makes sure your tabs are displayed exactly how you need them, enhancing your multitasking abilities. At this point, you should see both web pages displayed next to each other. You can interact with each page independently while enjoying the benefit of having them both visible at once. This feature is especially useful when you need to compare information, follow instructions, or simply keep an eye on multiple sources of content simultaneously. If you want to adjust the size of each window in the split view, you can do so by dragging the divider between the two pages. This customization allows you to allocate more space to the page you need to focus on, providing flexibility and control over your browsing experience. After you finish using the split screen feature, you can exit this view by closing one of the tabs or dragging the tab out of the split view. This returns the browser to its regular single-tab format, ready for your next task. Remember, mastering split screen in Brave browser not only enhances your workflow but also makes it simpler to manage multiple tasks. With this feature, you can improve your efficiency and keep your digital workspace organized. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to do split screen in Brave browser. I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Have a productive day.